Audio Jungle.
If someone is just starting with technology, what should they do first?
I would advocate just make sure you've got good visibility on some of the basic data points that you might want to track as a laundry owner. Um, what is the busiest hours of your facility? What machines are being utilized? Is there other like financial data like tied to refunds or other service related things that are happening? Just being able to keep a pulse on that through your payment system or your point of sale system will save you a lot of headache down the road. And as we start talking about later in this conversation, some of the AI tools that are around there will allow you to process that data much more quickly. So just being able to keep a pulse because you can't automate, down the road what you don't understand. So start with that visibility.
Great. Nick, anything to add to that? If someone's starting with technology, what should they do first?
I would say, in addition to what Trey had mentioned, I would look at the basics of what your store operation is, whether it's finding a way to have scheduling for your staff, to upload documents into like a virtual HR AI agent that can handle scheduling and any type of reconfiguration of what their needs are. That's one of the systems that I think I would look at first. Tracking of time, how much time they do on certain task throughout the day, and then you can manage, if you actually need them based on sales. So that's what I would say. I would look at using technology or AI in some form or fashion in scheduling and your day-to-day operations, your basics.